Get ready to witness the ultimate lineup of powerful, smart, and downright satisfying machines in action. From high-tech planters and harvesters to next-level grain loaders, ditch clearers, and marine forklifts, this video is packed with equipment designed to boost productivity, save time, and handle even the toughest jobs with ease. Whether it's in the field, on the water, or deep in the soil, these machines are changing the game in modern agriculture and industry. Let's dive right in. First up, check out this impressive planter from Direct. It's built not just for planting but also for preparing the soil, ideal for pre-ridging or ridge cutting. With 9 support wheels, it can handle up to 2.5 to 3 tons. The tiller width can be adjusted to 75, 80, or 90 centimeters, giving operators better visibility and reducing crop damage. Smart engineering and a hydraulic drive take its performance to a whole new level. Next, the Bossel Crop Harvester is here to save time and labor. This machine features a 3-row harvesting drive and a backpack-style storage system. Powered by a tractor using a V-belt and gear drive, it can harvest 0.8 acres per hour. Corn ears and straw are collected and placed in a rear hydraulic hopper for direct transfer into a transport vehicle. Then we have the grain loader from Loftness. It loads grain into long polyethylene bags, up to 500 feet long with a 10-foot diameter, and seals them tight. This reduces oxygen and increases CO2, killing fungus and pests without chemicals. The result? A longer shelf life for stored grain. From K North America, we've got the FC460 mower. It's known for protecting its gears. If it hits something, the disc bearing station prevents damage. With unmatched adaptability and smart safety design, this mower stands out in the market. Now, meet the OJK13 clearing machine from Sukhoi. This screw-type ditcher can remove tree roots and stumps in one go, thanks to a powerful 220 HP tractor. It even spreads pulled soil evenly on both sides of the ditch. Check out the 4020 VLOW. It's compact but powerful, able to install large diameter pipes up to 1.8 meters deep. It features a V-blade trenching system, GPS controls, and manual override. It can handle pipe diameters up to 200 millimeters with a pivoting plow that adjusts 12 degrees in both directions. The Hydro M Drive Marine forklift handles heavy loads with ease. Its hydrostatic drive, remote controls, and dual-directional pedal make it smooth and precise, perfect for demanding marine tasks. The Hydro Trike is a next-level manure processor with a mid-wheel for stability on uneven terrain. Its smart sensors adjust delivery based on land type, making it efficient and data-driven. The Converse C485 mowing boat may only have a 48 HP engine, but it delivers serious results. With a 3 mm thick steel hull, watertight compartments, and quick-release tool carriers, it's built for safe, efficient mowing in water. Next up is the PDX 1000 Post Driver Attachment by Atera. This bolt-on tool for skid steers or excavators absorbs impact with urethane caps and an enclosed breaker, reducing noise and vibration. The Autike 300 pumpkin seed harvester is hydraulically driven, has a huge screening drum, and weighs about 7,500 kilograms. Yet, it only needs 80 to 110 HP thanks to reduced fuel and oil use, making it energy efficient and powerful. If you're after a gentle beat loader, the Homer Terra Phyllis 3 is your answer. With 18 wear-resistant rollers and an ultra-fast folding system, it's efficient, comfortable, and energy-saving. The Landpack rolling drum compactor goes deeper than most, up to 700 millimeters. That's more than triple the depth of typical machines, saving time and cost with every job. Posh Lennox designed a wood processor that cuts and splits logs with minimal labor. It lifts logs, cuts them into 15 centimeters blocks, and splits them, all while using safety light sensors to prevent accidents.